15 healthiest foods with no carbs and no sugar. The human body requires carbohydrates and sugar to function properly, but excessive consumption can lead to weight gain and other health problems. There are still plenty of healthy and delicious food options available for those looking to reduce their carbohydrate and sugar intake. Here are 15 of the healthiest foods to include in your diet that have no carbs or sugar. Eggs. Eggs are the ideal low-carb, high-protein breakfast because they contain essential nutrients like choline and lutein, which are important for brain health. Leafy greens. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and lettuce are nutrient-dense, carb-free superfoods that contain iron, potassium, and vitamin K. Meat and poultry, lean protein sources like chicken, turkey, and beef are excellent sources of protein without the added carbs. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds, are high in healthy fats and protein and make an excellent snack. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a healthy fat that can be used in cooking and baking and is a low-carb cooking essential. Avocados, the creamy, low-carb fruit is high in fiber, potassium, and healthy fats. Cheese. Cheese is a tasty way to add protein and healthy fats to your diet, as well as a good source of calcium and vitamin D. Cauliflower. A versatile, low-carb vegetable that can be used to replace carb-heavy foods like rice and potatoes. Berries such as strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are high in antioxidants and low in sugar. Fish. Fish such as salmon, tuna, and cod are high in protein and a good source of omega-3s. Greek yogurt. A low-carb dairy option with a high protein and probiotic content. Plantains. Plantains are a low-carb and low-sugar alternative to potatoes that are high in potassium and vitamin C. Mushrooms are low in carbs and high in antioxidants, as well as a good source of vitamin D and B vitamins. Olives. Olives are a carb-free, low-sugar source of healthy fats that are also high in antioxidants. Coconut milk. Coconut milk is a low-carb, sugar-free alternative to dairy milk that is high in healthy fats and can be used in cooking and baking. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help you reduce your carbohydrate and sugar intake while still providing your body with the nutrients it requires. Remember to eat a well-balanced diet and seek personalized advice from a doctor or dietitian.